A tribe is like a hive, working for the center of the basket, working to the center of our lives. Through the environments we live in Holocaust camps on the reservation, in the Holocaust ghettos of their urban cities, we have forgotten to strive for the center of the basket. We have forgotten community and working for the common good, being a community as our ancestors did for survival. Like a hive of bees, it runs through my blood. Like a hive of bees, it runs through my blood. I do not create Indian art, I create art. And being that I am an Indian, it is therefore art. This term Indian, I use it because it's like a slave name. I enjoy it. I like being corrected by the politically correct. You shouldn't call yourself that. You shouldn't call yourself that. In the center of the basket. You know better. You know better. And yet, I use it because I enjoy it. Working towards the center of the basket, always working to the center of the basket, like honeybees gathering around the queen. We must work for a common goal, despite the urban sprawls, despite the trash heap dumps left on our lands. We must work for a single cause. We must work for a single voice, a single heartbeat, stolen from us by evil men. These lines stolen from us, like our lands, like our lives. Join me in the hive.